Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to discuss with you a new update of Lovable. Lovable is basically an AI tool with the help of which you can create websites, apps, and different uh, uh, applications can be produced with this. So Lovable has introduced is version 2, and this is now smarter, having multiplayers and much more. So let's quickly see what are the important new changes. First one is that its look and UI is now changed and much more smarter. Then there is a multiplayer capability in the Lovable. Similarly, there is a chat mode as well. We will see all these modes one by one in today's video. Then there is a security scan, the dev mode. We will be discussing dev mode as well. And then the visual editing mode is also there. This mode is amazing. And there is also capability of deploying the website created on the custom domains as well. And there is a pricing update as well. So let's see how these capabilities are incorporated on the Lovable website. So let's move to the Lovable website, and on the Lovable you can see that the basic, let me open the basic Lovable development.dev, and this is the basic front of the website. Let's wait for a while so that it can be opened. The front web, the front UI is now changed. It's now more advanced, minimalistic, and easy to use. So if you have used this Lovable before, then you will be aware how it has been changed. If not before, then please check my video on my channel, and you will see the video in which I have described Lovable in detail. And yeah, this is basically your personal full stack engineer. You can ask here, you can give the prompt over here, and you can make things. So now I'm on the Lovable.dev website, and I have given a prompt: create a web page for looking for sponsors for the leukemia patients blood transfusion services. So I have just given it a very simple and short prompt to give me a website, and the website is basically looking for sponsors for the leukemia patients and the blood transfusion services. So it has basically started thinking and creating the files, and in a while it has created me this website. Here you can see that this website is amazing. Here this is the hero section, where help save lives through blood transfusion. Then there is a become a sponsor, learn more, and why sponsor our blood transfusion services, save lives, tax benefits, flexible options, transparent funding, etc., etc. All these capabilities and basically parameters have been mentioned over here. Then the sponsorship packages are there, and of course you know that this website is basically linked on the Supabase. If you have a Supabase account, then this will all this data. If someone select this package, give a donation, it will be stored on this database. But if you don't have a Supabase account, then this will give you an error, and it will ask you to connect your account to the Supabase. So my account is already connected with the Supabase. This is has produced a 5,000 package, 10,000, 25,000. You can edit these as well once it is completed. Then there is an impact tag where there it shows that your basically contributions make an impact, and there are some figures that 75% plus corporate sponsors, 92% funds to direct care, 350 patients helped, 1200 plus transfusions provided, etc., etc. Then there are some testimonials, and there is a fill out form where you can sponsor, and you can give your details, and if you want to inquire, then you can use this form. And then there is a basically a footer section as well. So this is amazing website, and you can deploy it. But before that, let's discuss the second capability of this uh, Lovable, where you can see that this is the Lovable is having many capabilities which we have discussed. One was to see that beside its good look, what are some other capabilities? So the next one capability was that it is multiplayer. So here you can see that there is an option of multiplayers, and this is invite. If you can click this invite, you can add multiple users to this project, and in collaboration you can make it good. But this is only available to the pro users. So for that purpose you have to upgrade your basically your account. Let's see what is the next update. Next one update is the chat mode. This is also amazing, and here you can see that we have a chat mode. And what is the purpose of this? If I write something over here to update this website and I click it or enter it, it will start changing the code over here. But if I want just to chat with the bot and ask some guidelines, then this option was missing previously. Now this option has been created with this chat mode. So if I enable this chat mode and ask it how we can improve the sponsorship, sponsorship, the sponsorships rate. I'm just asking it that how we can improve the sponsorship rate. So let's see. If I enter it, it will not basically uh, change the code or the website. It is working on it, and it will give me basically some information that what changes can be made to this website so that the sponsorship rate is increased. So it says that the comments on the current web page, that it is attracting, but it has given me some suggestions that you can add patient stories to this website, that a number of patients has been given this treatment with your sponsorship, and these are the success stories of those patients. Then some visual impacts can be added, trust and credibility. You can add recognition logos, you can add transparency dashboard, and the accreditation, etc., etc. Then there ROI matrix and many other things have been added over here. If now I ask it and I disable this chat mode, and please incorporate the suggested changes in the website. Okay, and when I just click enter, it will start working on the website, and it will improve. It will aid the patient stories, it will aid the dashboard, it will aid the pictures, etc., etc. And let's see how it can improve this website. So while it is working, let's discuss its next update. What was the next update? The next update was the security scan, and for if there are some vulnerabilities in the app, the Lovable new security plan is amazing, and it can basically check for any issues, and it will work accordingly in a secure mode. Similarly, there is a dev mode as well. We will discuss the dev mode as well. What is the dev mode? So let's check it. how we can work on this. So the dev mode is basically, if I click this one, this is the code viewer mode. And this code viewer mode is for the purpose to view the codes. This is basically the window where all the files has been shown over here, and these are the files. If I click any one file, it will be displayed over here. So how we can play with these files? So for that purpose, it is recommended that you can connect your GitHub account with this, and this is the GitHub uh, button. If you click this and ask it to connect it to your GitHub account, it will be connected. So this is already connected to my GitHub account, and I can check this on my GitHub account. All the files will be translated or transferred to the GitHub account. So this is how you can connect it to the GitHub account, and how you can basically make changes in the development mode while you are in the GitHub account, and other people can access your GitHub account using this. So it now says that it has edited 5 files, and it is now making the changes. And I think so it has completed it. So let's see how the website is looking now. So there are some patient stories. Sarah of 12-year age story has been added that Sarah was diagnosed with leukemia at the age of 10 during her treatment. She needed 18 blood transfusions. Today she is in remission and back to playing soccer with her friends. So this is one story, and I think so there are other stories. Mikhail 34 having a story. Leza 45. And why sponsor our blood transfusion services? These are some reasons why we should. And there are some logos that has not been basically taken up. We can ask it again to make the logos visible. And there are some well-known sponsors: ABC Corporation, etc., Johnson Foundation. Then there is an impact calculator. Here you can see that if you click for 5,000 sponsorship, then or 10,000 or 25,000, then you will see the sponsorship impact over here. And these are the sponsor packages as before, the sponsorship impact, etc., etc. So this is now basically improved. You can publish this accordingly. This is the website. This is the free website, the free domain on which you can publish it, and you can check it accordingly. But if you want to publish it on your own domain, then it can also be done. For example, let us check it first on our free domain, which is being provided by the Lovable, and it is this one: blood-buddy-boost.lovable.app. Your website is now visible over here. What's an amazing and good looking website. You can donate this website to any blood transfusion company for no cost, and this will be a great contribution. And there is another option, that is, if you want to publish it on your own website, you can do it. You can connect a domain as well as you can buy a domain from here. So these are some amazing features of the Lovable.dev version 2, and I would request you to make basically use of this developer mode AI, and comment on the video, ask questions if you have in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.